helicopter hanging wires. It does not look safe. Let's see how we did after that drive. Let's see. Ooh. Pretty good. So the battery isolator did a decent job. So here's the inside. I forgot to put this bungee on the toilet here, and I braked heavy and it tipped completely upside down right here, but it did not leak. Ouch. There was a pin in there and I just stabbed myself. Anyway, the toilet tipped over and it did not leak. There's only water in the top right now. There's no waste in it right now, but I was surprised that it held very well. And here's my setup. I have one fan over here. I have an exhaust fan set up back here. Plug everything in there. Everything in there. Put my phone in there too. I got my trash bag and my mirror for makeup. That's about it. Also, I forgot to mention that this was a bigger mattress. It was wider. I cut it almost a foot off, about 10 inches off the side of it here. I kept the piece, so if I want to put it back together, it will still zip into this cover and go back to full size. But this is only 28 inches wide in here, so I didn't want it to hang over. So that's what I did. I cut it with a very large kitchen knife, kind of serrated, and it was very easy to cut. There's only about this much memory foam, and the rest of it's just regular foam. So yeah, it's easy to cut through. I want to do an update on this battery isolator. The, well, continuous duty solenoid is what it is. I did not have a good ground on it. I do now, but I did not have a good ground. And it was charging the house batteries, but when I shut the fan off, it made the solenoid stay open, and it was draining the batteries in the back. If that continued, it would have drained the van battery also. So I'm glad I got that figured out and fixed. Also, I redid the power in the fuse box. Remember, I had found a wire and I had just shoved it underneath the fuse. Well, now I've got one of these fuse taps, it's called, or yeah, fuse tap. And you just put the original fuse in it, and I already have my fuse down, where is it? Right there. If I didn't have that fuse, I could have put it onto this, because there's a spot for 2 fuses. I would have put it on the bottom. Yeah, so you just plug that in. There's my power for my solenoid. I do not close this all the way yet. I'm going to make a hole for that to go through, or a notch. But yeah, it's working good, as you can see. I stopped after driving. It says back batteries are at 3.6, so we'll see how they last. Hey everybody, Mike here. Just got done with a big day at Amnicon State Park in Amnicon Falls and the Big Manitou Falls. I'll have videos on that. I'll probably post soon. Big Manitou Falls is the highest falls in Wisconsin. It's 165 feet. And So the day is done, and I'm just gonna try to sleep in the van here. Let me show you around if I can. Just got my phone plugged in, and the window's blocked out. Curtains up. Got my Lucy light on. Should turn this fan on, but I think it's gonna be too loud. Maybe not. Anyway, that's about it. I don't have much in here, just the bed, toilet, some water, clothes under the bed. So, yeah, good night. I forgot to mention that I will be probably keeping my ears open for any rustling outside, because there has been a bear that's come around here to my sister's house up on the deck. She sent me some pictures. Maybe I can post them on here. But yeah, there's bears that are obviously in the area, so I'm safe here inside. It would be neat to hear or see something and take some video. It's kind of dark out though, so I don't think it would turn out, but anyways, good night again.